Hey guys, I've come out to a little spot I call the secret spot. It's quite unfishable from both banks. The only way to get down to it is to walk down. There's a few barbel, there's no special like, but we call it the little project. I got some pellets in that. I just need to reset my rig up and then get casting. I think there's fish there, I don't know. Can't really see. There's a little bit of a tinge of colour in the water. The last couple of days have been torrential rain. I'm surprised it's not in flood, to be honest, but we'll get GoPro strapped on. I'll start baiting up while we're in the process of retying my rigs, and hopefully we'll get a little barbus on the bank. So let's see how things go, and well, you'll find out soon. Welcome to watch a retard try and strap on a GoPro and can't do it. There we go. Get some of these Barbel pellets chucked in. Say these fish have never been fish caught before. Yeah, straight on them pellets. Rubbing. That'll do it for now. We'll get set up and then we'll come back. Okay, got my rigs all baited up and sorted out. Get some more pellets in. Didn't take long to set up. There's no massive barbel down here. The biggest one looks about 6.5 to maybe 7. Average looks about maybe £3, which is sort of average for the river itself. We'll have a little walk over and we'll slowly lower the rig in. There's 2 down there, look, a good £6. Back a little bit, I'll lower it in as gentle as possible. It's a very sort of like tight swim, so it shouldn't be too far away. Okay, yeah, I can see movement. There's a fish. First chuck we got a fish. Nice. It's going to bury me in some weeds there. It's not a bad one. It's not one of the biggest 6-pounders, but it's a great fish. There's a good chance it hasn't been caught before, which is also a bonus. Let's get his end in some weed at the minute. He's running. Yeah, he's buried right in the weeds. I got me bigger landing net today. So I didn't know what I'd been for. It's always nice to have a big one just in case you land a big fish and then there's no struggle getting in the net and you can weigh them as well. There we go, come on, straight back into it. Oh, it's a pretty fish, very dark fish. The barbel is still in the swim. Probably don't show up on GoPro. Oh, it's a pretty fish, it's about £3. Good scrap on him, it's nice fast water here. Good stream, oops, not bad. Look at the ribbon. Gorgeous fish. And we got him safely in the net. So, not a bad net job to say. The current's like 300 miles an hour. I'm going to leave him in the net for now, and I'm going to throw more bait in and get the fish feeding. Confident again. So I reckon this swim's got more to offer than just one fish. The barbel was swimming round as I was playing that one in. They weren't feeding, right? Okay, they're back in swimming now. They're feeding. He's trying to swim off with net. Right, I'll get my nooks. I'll reel just the camera and I'll take a good look. This is a gorgeous fish, absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at what we just caught. Yeah, it's about £3. Absolutely lovely fish, like. I can tell you now, this one's never been caught in its entire existence. Oh, beautiful little fish. Snorting at me. I've got a barb duck on, so it's going to be a bit of a bugger. But when I like fishing new swims, I like to make sure that if there's anything surprising down there, it's not gonna do us. Come on, chill out. They always ate me fish. This water is absolutely freezing. It's so cold. Come on, that's it, chill out. Got it. There he is, look how pretty that fish is. No scale or fin damage whatsoever. It's an absolutely beautiful fish. I'm going to beat us up now. Look at the fins on that. Oh. He's been resting a long time. He's tensing up on me like little ones do. What an absolutely beautiful barbel. Absolutely beautiful. He's not a happy fish, but them fins though, look at the fins. So big. Right, so that's the first fish. You see me a little bit finicky down there. I've been throwing bait in, but they're not really bidding. Sort of coming back out to feed. So yeah, we'll get this one left in the net resting. I'm going to focus on feeding them fish up, and then I'm going to go to casting again. I'll let this one out. He should be more than ready to go. What a fish! Right. There we go. The other way. That's it, upstream. Safe then. Okay. Okay. There's a fish. Got him. This one feels heavier than the last one. Go on. He's getting some buried right in the weeds. I'm gonna have to. No, he's about the same size, about £3 again. There's only one in there, so I think I'll keep them both in there so we can get an idea of the size comparison. This one. So we can get an idea of the size comparison. This one is not fighting, he's just buried himself. He's literally just buried himself. Go on. Try and pull down. Pull down. Can't, that's it. Yep. Love this little rod. I'm going to have to walk out for this one. I might bugger the swim up though, if I do. Okay guys, he's all on hooked in the net. Nice, he's definitely a pound bigger. Just tell by how much fatter it is in the hand. Not like that man the net yet. He's not much bigger. Oh, he's got a great kinky back. Actually, we'll get a close up of that in a minute. You might be able to tell on there how fat it is at the back end here. But yeah, he's got a great kink down its tail. You see that? Kinky back barbel. God knows what that is. It could be a birth defect. He doesn't like me holding it like. But there you go. He's definitely over 3 pounds anyway. He's feeding well. He fought well. Well, he didn't. He was buried. But we'll get him back. God, this water's freezing cold. Freezing. There they are. They're not massive fish, but a barbel's a barbel at the end of the day. And even the juveniles are going to be 10-20 pounders one day if they eat the right stuff. So we're slipping back now. This one gone. Is this one going to go? Nice fast oxygenated water. This is a kinky one. God, it's so cold. So now he has just been caught, so he's gone. See ya. See you again one day. Right, let's go and feed in, see if we can get another. Wash my hands, dry my hands off. It'll make my pellets go mouldy. Oh, they're still there. That might be why they won't want to touch it without wafting in the nose. Slowly getting close. I need to get one right close to the snag. That's it, that's the shot, that's the money shot. That's landed perfect. Could not have been any better. That should be right in the path of feeding fish now. So when you see them, they're coming through feeding and they're dropping back and then coming back up again. Hopefully that should have landed perfect on them. Just see an egret. There we go, come on. That's it, we're in. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. He's not happy. Yeah, he's a good one. He's a good 4 pound. That's the biggest one at trip. Ooh. She's hanging in that current. He's coming, he's coming. Try to keep away from the snags and sticks and weed and that. There we go. perfect now. I need to get this net. Get the net ready. It's one of the bigger fish. And he's still going. See ya. Won't want to be you. He's getting weed, he's getting weed. There we go. Oh, God damn, he's not happy. Go on, yo. Get a big tug. He's shaking his head, he's not happy. Not at all, not one bit. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous fish though. That is an absolutely beautiful fish. It's going again. I should have brought a rubber mesh net with me though. And try and bring him into this slack so then I got more control over him over this instead of this current. That's a fantastic fish. Nope, nope. Not done yet. I bit it again with my finger. That's better. Can't be doing that sound. We got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Come here, you beauty. You know what? You might be a 6 pounder. What do you think? This is a 36-inch net, I believe. The 32. Well, we'll get him an hooked. Like we did with the other two. We'll sort a big camera out and we'll take a look. Okay, so we've actually managed one of the bigger fish that I've seen. It's a fish probably 5.5 to 6 pound in size. Definitely a 5 pounder though. He's flipping. Stop it. Are you done? There he is. He's tensing up. Stop it. There we go, about 5.5 to 6 pound of fish. Yeah, I don't know what to say. He's a lovely fish, he's a good size, plenty of room for growth. Yeah, we'll get him slipped back straight away. Here we go. He's actually better behaved than I thought he was going to be, to be honest. Not only a big girl. One last look at her. There he is, look at that, that's a gorgeous fish, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's a beautiful fish. I'm probably the first person to catch her and all. Is he ready? Yeah. What a fish. Okay chaps, it's getting dark now. I've been watching the fish, they're not really interested anymore after them first 3. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to give them a couple handfuls of pellets for the supper. And hopefully I can get them twigged onto pellets for the next time I come out. Well, see if there is a next time, because it's quite cold now. This water must only be like 5-6 degrees. So the next few weeks it's only going to drop lower. There's more rain forecast. It's meant to rain tonight as well. So it's yeah, it's not looking good for the old gonads if I was to jump in here. I'll leave it at that. It's been good. We've come out. I've got quite a long walk back. About 25 minutes. Most of that's in the water, and then yeah, I'll be going off home and hopefully get something to eat because I'm starving. Been at work all day. It's time to feed my son, not the fish. So all I'd say, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Don't poo in the bath, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.